In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send an email with an attached file. So if you want to attach a file and send it as an email to somebody else where they can download it, you can do that for free. Now I'm using Gmail to show you this. If you're using Outlook, you can follow along as well. It will be similar, but the buttons will be in different positions. What you need to do is open up Gmail. To do that, you can just go to mail.google.com. Or if you're on Google, you can just click on Gmail in the top right hand corner and it should take you here. Then click Compose in the top left hand corner and then enter who you want to send this email to. Now we've done that, we can enter in a subject. I'm going to send my resume. So I'm just going to type in resume as the subject. You can now type an email message. Now let's not forget to actually attach the file. So here if you look on Gmail, you'll see the paperclip icon. The paperclip icon is the attach files button. If you click on that, it will open up a new file explorer. You can then go ahead and find the file. So I'm going to go to my desktop and we'll click on the resume. We'll then click open. Here you can see the status of that. You can then click send. Now you've sent your email, and when someone receives it, it will look something like this. And the other person will be able to download it or click on it and view your attachment.